Hello everyone, welcome to SAT Global. So today we will see how we will replace the M2 SSD card. So you need a star screwdriver, small one, to remove the existing card. You can use the almost same step to install a new one. They are almost identical steps. So first you need to unscrew it and take this screw out, keep it separate gently and just pull it out. It comes out pretty easily. Now it depends on your new SSD card. Like for me, it's a big one, so it's not gonna go here. So we will see that it's going to come to the second last place, so we need to remove it as well. And of course this also need to be unscrewed. So you can take it out, and now as we know, it's gonna come in this one. So we will install it here, tighten it, and take your new card. Make sure the 6-pin will go towards you, that is the left hand side, and gently put it down. However, you need the same screw to connect it. So make sure you have a magnetic screwdriver, which is pretty handy because it won't let the screw slip, and just tighten it. That's all, and we have replaced our current 32 GB SSD with 500 GB M2 SSD card. So thank you once again for watching our video, and do subscribe to our channel and share and like this video so others can also learn how to do it. Thank you.